Hey everyone, it's BK. Today, we're not just scratching the surface, we're really getting into what AI literacy means. We'll explore how AI works, what it can do, and how you can actually use it.
Basically, what's happening here is that transformers have revolutionized AI. They swapped out old sequential processing for something called self-attention, letting AI handle massive amounts of text really efficiently. This led to powerhouse models like GPT, which now drive everything from advanced chatbots to sophisticated translation services, making AI solutions much more practical for businesses. Think of it like this. You're trying to create a presentation, pulling together all sorts of data and trying to make sense of it quickly. Now, you might be wondering why you can't just have a tool that helps you not just analyze, but actually create the content, find the insights, and even suggest paths forward. That's the core idea behind generative AI. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to understand the foundational concepts of Gen AI and explore how these powerful models generate content across various domains. You'll also learn the critical skill of prompt engineering, which is basically how to talk to AI effectively. Plus, we'll dive into the important ethical and practical considerations for using AI responsibly.
So, what are Gen AI models? Simple. They're like a sophisticated chef who knows how to combine ingredients, follow recipes, and learn from a huge cookbook. The learning systems are the chefs, the mathematical rules are the recipes, and the data patterns are the massive cookbook they've studied. All three work together to create realistic and innovative content.
Here's the key thing you need to remember about large language models, or LLMs. The trick here is their transformer architecture. It lets them handle huge amounts of language data, learn complex patterns, and then use that understanding to create new text. Think of it like a master translator or a brilliant writer who's absorbed every nuance of language. That's why tools like ChatGPT are so powerful for things like summarization, translation, and generating text.
Now, it's not all about text. There are other fantastic Gen AI models for creative tasks. GANs are amazing for making super realistic visuals, often used in gaming and advertising. VAEs are clever because they learn the essence of data while still being very creative. And diffusion models create stunning images by starting from noise and gradually refining it. These are the tools behind some of the most impressive AI art we see today.
So, what does this actually mean for you? Gen AI is already streamlining content generation and automating workflows across all kinds of industries. Think about how ChatGPT can help you with customer support. Github Copilot can speed up software development by suggesting code. For visuals, Craiyon makes marketing graphics in a snap. And for media, tools like ElevenLabs and HeyGen are revolutionizing audio and video creation. It's truly changing how we work.
Now, here's the clever part. Getting great results from Gen AI isn't just about the AI itself, it's about how you ask the questions. Prompt engineering is basically the skill of writing really clear, effective inputs for AI. It's like giving a super smart assistant specific instructions instead of vague suggestions. The trick here is to be very specific about what you want, like the tone, length, or format. That's how you get the AI to give you exactly what you're looking for.
Let's understand this step by step. When you're talking to AI, there are a couple of techniques to get better results. Zero-shot prompting is basically asking the AI to do something it already knows, without any extra hints. But few-shot prompting? That's when you give the AI a few examples first, kind of like showing it a few finished pieces of homework before asking it to do its own. This helps the AI really nail the style and format you're looking for.
So, how do you get really good at prompt engineering? The trick here is to be specific. Tell the AI exactly what you want, the tone, the length, the format. Then, don't just use one prompt and give up. Iterate and refine. Keep testing and tweaking until you get what you need. Also, save your best prompts as templates for future use, and encourage everyone in your team to learn these skills. It's a game changer for productivity.
Now, let's talk about the open source side of Gen AI. Basically, this is a huge community of freely available tools, models, and platforms that anyone can use and build on. It's fantastic for innovation. Hugging Face is a great example. It's a popular platform where developers and researchers can access and share cutting-edge Gen AI models. This collaborative environment means more people can experiment and create amazing things with AI.
Here's the key thing you need to remember. While Gen AI has immense potential, it's not without its challenges. We're talking about real risks concerning bias, security, ethics, and accountability. It's super important for organizations to address these head-on to make sure AI is used in a fair, safe, and ethical way. Because if we don't, we could end up with some serious problems.
Let's break down some of the main challenges. AI bias, for instance, occurs when the AI learns unfair outcomes from the data it was trained on. So if your training data is skewed, your AI will be too. Then there are security risks, like prompt injection attacks, where someone tries to trick the AI through clever inputs, or deepfakes, which can create misinformation. These are critical issues we need to address for responsible AI use.
Building trust in AI comes down to two big things: transparency and privacy. Transparency, or explainable AI, means we need to understand why the AI makes its decisions, not just what it decides. On the privacy side, AI deals with a lot of personal data, so we need strong safeguards. Techniques like federated learning, where the AI learns without ever seeing your personal data directly, are crucial for keeping your information safe.
To really get AI right, we need strong governance and clear regulations. Basically, this means making sure there are rules and oversight to guide how AI is developed and used, ethically and safely. Things like the EU AI Act and GDPR are crucial because they set standards for risk and data privacy. And human in the loop is key. It means having human oversight in AI decisions, so we're not just letting the machines run wild.
Looking ahead, one major trend is agentic AI. This is AI that isn't just following your commands, but actually acts independently, making its own decisions and even planning out steps to achieve a goal. Think of a self-driving car. It's not just executing a single instruction, it's constantly planning and deciding. Or AI assistants that proactively manage your day, or even trading bots making real-time financial decisions. It's about true autonomy. Beyond just software, physical AI is the next big thing. This is when AI is directly integrated into the real world through robots, drones, and smart devices. Think of AI-powered robot surgeons performing incredibly delicate operations, or autonomous drones delivering vital supplies where humans can't easily go. Even smart exoskeletons that help people regain mobility. These are all examples of AI literally stepping into our physical world to solve real problems.
So we've covered a lot today. Gen AI is transforming how we create and automate, while prompt engineering is your key to getting the best out of it. Remember to use AI responsibly and keep an eye on the exciting future of agentic and physical AI. Thanks for joining me.